How to delete recently played on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can delete and remove your recently played songs on Spotify. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now currently, if I open up my Spotify application over here, once I open it up, you'll be able to see some of the recently played songs on my home screen. So I'll just go ahead and show you what that looks like. If I just come down to the bottom of the screen, you can see right over here at the top, we have some of the recently played. The recently played songs features up to at least, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, at least up to 12 songs on Spotify. So currently I've listened to this. If I just go ahead and add some more to the list, I'll be able to find those lists over here as well. So instead, what you can do to fix this is currently before it was 12 and now it's only 6. In order to fix this issue, what you can do is Spotify does not allow you to delete your recently played. Previously, we used to have the option to long press on it and then we would have the option called remove from recently played, but now we don't have that option as well. So I have two options for you, and one alternative is that let's say you're sharing your Spotify account and it's just too embarrassing for you to let others know that you're listening to these type of songs. And in order to actually go ahead and remove these, just listen to some of the random songs from the playlist. Once you listen to some of the random songs, these names are going to appear on top and the other one is going to move to the end of the screen. Just keep on listening to them until they go ahead and then disappear. So just go ahead and repeat the process. Just listen to more songs, just play them and listen to them until the ones that you don't want are removed from the row. It will feature up to 12 and after that it is going to be removed as well, because the recently played only offers you a limited of the recent songs as well. The other thing you can do is, in order to prevent this from happening in the future, tap on the gear icon on the top right, and here you'll find the option called social. So just go to the social option and you can turn on private session. What this turning on private session means is that next time whenever you listen to a song on Spotify, so currently you can see the D12 mix, but now if I listen to any of the random songs over here, it is not going to record those songs on my recently played. As you can see over here as well, you'll not be able to go ahead and find this, because if you do so, this is listening anonymously. You will not be able to find out who's listening to these songs as well. That's all it takes to delete recently played. Hope this video cleared the confusion. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.